Hello to all our fellow auto enthusiasts and friends. As we get into 2020, the start of a new decade, we at Mahindra are excited to showcase the very best we have to offer at the upcoming Auto Expo 2020. I'm delighted to unveil the Mahindra theme for the upcoming Auto Expo at Greater Noida. We call it Driven by Purpose. When we are driven by purpose, we look for meaning in what we do. And in that sense, this year's Auto Expo theme is in complete alignment with Mahindra's RISE philosophy. This biannual automotive showcase is a perfect platform to feature and shine the spotlight on our range of electric passenger and mass mobility products, fun concepts, and technology solutions that deal with the needs of today and also position Mahindra for the future. The overall Mahindra lineup will include 18 vehicles, including personal, commercial, and electric vehicles. Our EV showcase will include a fun and thrilling concept car, an object of desire, a few production-ready EVs, and also a couple of variants of an existing electric three-wheeler. In addition to this, there will also be a display of a first-of-its-kind electric architecture and an electric mobility platform that will drive connected experiences for our customers. And then, of course, there is more from display of electric batteries, charging stations, our range of BS6 gasoline engines, and also we will be showcasing a first of its kind, a world of zero waste through automobile recycle and reuse. With this, I may even take the liberty to say that this by far could be one of the widest range of EVs being displayed by an Indian OEM at this year's Auto Expo. In fact, this is not all. We will also showcase our wide range of commercial vehicles from a half-tonner all the way to a 49-ton truck. We have all of this at the Mahindra Pavilion. Friends, all these mark the beginning of an exciting year that is ahead for us at Mahindra. As we get into this year, we will have a slew of new launches, with the Thar launch being the most awaited one. And as you know, and you would agree, that Thar holds a very special place of prominence in the legacy of Mahindra vehicles and also in the Indian automobile industry. Hence, it requires a special showcase which would be exclusive and not part of other vehicles displayed at the Auto Expo. If you want a glimpse into where the automobile industry is heading towards, a world that we all will live in, I extend a very hearty welcome to each one of you and look forward to seeing and hosting you at the Mahindra Pavilion on 5th and 6th of February. Join us as we lead you into a new tomorrow that is driven by purpose.